PPV time again. Notice 6-ton Daytona jack stand. See how high that tire's off the ground? I'll put my foot right under there. Got the floor jack standing by. We've got the Monroe 911545 shock, which, it's called a, hang on. This is my replacement one. The first one came in was leaking. Reflex? Yeah, reflex. Put that right down here for now. Real simple. Get your car up in jack stands. Get the lug nuts off. That's self-explanatory. Then you got the tire off right there. I like using my Milwaukee Fuel. Took them lug nuts right off. And then I got this little guy right here. And I'm going to say that's a 9mm. Got the tire off. And then just pull the skirt. You got a push pin. 1, 2, 3. No, I'm not giving you the finger. 3 bolts. And they're these little guys. They come right out. And then you got a push pin here. And a push pin here. And then you got a push pin here. And 1, 2 bolts. The whole skirt comes right out. There's your shock. 21. I put the breaker bar on the back side of that. Hit this with my Milwaukee. Came right off. Done. I got the breaker bar down there. I got my Icon wrench right here. And we're just gonna. This really wasn't even tight. Okay. And I'm doing all this from the seated position. I am not under the vehicle at all. Okay. And there's my back nut. The front nut somewhere down there. There's my front nut. Front nut! Take the old breaker bar off here. Get that out of the way. Love my Icon tools. So I'm going to put the jack stand under there. Give that a little push. And then I'm gonna don't just zing this, because if you zing that, it's gonna go into Nala land, and then you're gonna be pissed. So I'm going to gently go to the back side and grab it. You're not gonna see that because I'm by myself again. We'll go ahead and pull the shock out. We're 3 minutes in. Yeah, we're almost done on this side. Check. Give it a little quick pumps. And then that comes right out. The bolt goes from inside to out. The nut is on the outside of the wheel. Same as on top. The bolt is inside to out. The nut is on the outside. Shock is loose. I'm going to be able to pull that out. Pull this out and put the reflex in. Reflex. Literally took 30 seconds. Just keep that pressure on that bolt. Put the shock back in. Boom. So this is the new reflex. And then the bottom one's on. I believe the torques are 70 foot-pounds. That's what I believe. You know what? Yeah, let's be nice to the next guy. Hang on. Buy some. It's $20. It'll last you through your whole entire life. A little bit of copper anti-seize. A little bit. Put it on a Q-tip. Put it on. A little bit goes a long way. All right, so that's as far as that one's going to go. I'm going to have to put the nut bolt thingy on. Yeah, let's grab that with our bare fingers. Yeah, buddy. Like I said, I'm doing all this from a stool. Yeah. There you are. Just a little bit of copper anti-seize. Just makes everything really nice. I think that's been enough. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to hit them suckers with my gun. And the passenger side is done. 4 minutes, 53 seconds. You know, I've literally been on it for like 15 minutes. I was going to do rear brakes, but they don't look too bad today. I probably got quite a bit left on those guys. Yeah, there's plenty. So what do we got on this? Looks like those are rear air conditioning lines, I believe. And they come here. Yeah, that's a real fun thing. And then they're going to go up into the rear. And if you ever have any of these lines break and they got to replace them, just do a block off kit on the front of the car and forget about your rear AC. I mean, really, nobody ever sits in the back seat of this car. Not anymore. Used to be a police car, so I bet you there's a lot of people sitting in the back of this thing. Yeah, it's a very simple car. All right, I'm going to put the gun to it, and we're going to put it back together. Then we'll go over to the other side, and I'll do that side. Everybody says that's the hard side. Oh, by the way, hey, let me turn this off here. I love this. This is the best purchase I've ever done in my life. This is the Icon light. I love it. Rechargeable. It's my favorite tool. Love it. Puts light right where I need it. If I could get an Icon camera holder for this cell phone, I'd love that too. Hey, while we're doing this, let me go show. I want to show you this tool. This is freaking awesome. Now, these are Harbor Freight. Love Harbor Freight. Love Harbor Freight. Again, one-handed. How many other people do stuff one-handedly for YouTube? Oh, come on. Hang on. I love this gun. Oh, did you just come out? No. All right. So, like that word? It's my fuel. I got my lugs down to about 100 and 105, 110, something like that. Give you. Look at that. I got this gun at Home Depot on Black Friday sale. It was $349 normally, and with the Black Friday sale, it gave you 2 free batteries. I don't know, batteries probably $100 a piece. So I got them. I love this. I love this gun. I love that gun. Love that gun. Come on. You're not gonna bite me today. I'm not gonna let you. I told you weren't gonna bite me. Okay. Get this guy out of my way. Out of my way. So here's the driver's side. I don't know why they say this side's so freaking hard. Down there. I'm gonna go put the other side back together. We're gonna pull this shield cover off, and we'll do the driver's side shock next.